Women are not well represented at lower levels of the debate, the discussion on climate change. Is that correct?
Yes, sure, and it's lower and medium level. Like for example, last year at the COP16, only 30% of the delegates were women, and only 15% of the heads of the delegation were women, and those I will call them, high-level women in a way.
You just issued, your organisation has just issued a report enhancing women's leadership. So what does that address? Does that seek to address this issue, to try to bring women more into the leadership, the scope of leadership?
Yes, the report that we have prepared, it has been prepared in collaboration with other organizations like WFP, the UN Standing Committee of Nutrition and Action Against Hunger. The report is highlighting the need to promote the engagement and the participation of women in decision-taking in issues related and policies related to climate change, in consultation processes, and on the development of national adaptation plans for climate change.
Why the importance of gender as a climate change issue?
Well, women are agents of change. Women, they are a crucial part on the food security and nutrition security of their communities. Women are in charge of child care and health issues in the house. Women are in the forefront of risk reduction. They look into sustainable livelihoods. Therefore, they have an understanding, a very comprehensive understanding of issues related to climate change, natural resources, nutrition security, health and livelihoods in an integrated and comprehensive way.
I've heard plenty of people here at COP17 interviews we've done talk about food security. I've not heard the term nutrition security. Explain to me what that means.
Yes, sure. Nutrition security only happens when food security is also accompanied of certain situations, like for example assuring household food access and household food assets to get this access, when it is accompanied by an appropriate maternal and child care situation, access. Imagine people in the run when they are, they have to escape because of the bad situations. Women, they don't have time to breastfeed. Women, they cannot be taking care of their children. Those are, what we refer by maternal and child care practices and feeding practices. And the last component, which is critical, is that they have to have healthy environments and health access. Like, for example, a good example for this is water and sanitation systems. They have to be in place in order to assure that when you have access to food, this food is going to be, absorbed. And another example, for example, about healthy environments. In many cultures are women the ones that are cooking in close environments, and they are exposed to air pollution due to the cooking systems. And for example, our institute is working with CDC in trying to promote clean cookstoves, so women and children are not exposed to air pollution due to cooking fumes for a task that could be perfectly done by men.
This is an issue you're trying to raise up the agenda on the climate change debate.
Well, it's one of the many issues. The main issue will be nutrition security. What I am just giving is an example. It's so complex. Nutrition security is not only access to food at the household level. It has to be accompanied by many other, supportive measures that will help women to be able to address this. As I was mentioning, healthy environments are very important. Safety nets that assure that they look into women, issues related to land rights, microcredits. I mean, the issue is much broader than this. But when we look into nutrition security, at least we are looking for the basic components. And anyway, it's broader